In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the official Wix Owner app and connect it with your desktop workflow. To get started, pick up your phone and open your device's app marketplace. If you're using an iPhone, that will be the App Store, and if you're using an Android phone, it will be the Google Play Store. Once you're there, search for the official Wix Owner app. Make sure you select the official app published by Wix so you're working with the correct tool. When you find it, tap to download and install it on your phone. Depending on your connection speed, this may only take a few moments. After the installation finishes, you can leave the app ready on your home screen for the next step. Next, move over to your desktop computer and open Google Chrome. Using Chrome on your desktop is helpful here because it gives you a full view of your site management tools and makes it easier to review backend settings and inventory activity. Once Chrome is open, go to your Wix site dashboard and begin configuring your backend site tools as needed. This is the area where you can manage the operational side of your website, so take your time and make sure everything is organized correctly. You'll also want to review your inventory tracks from the desktop view, since larger screens usually make it easier to spot updates, confirm stock movement, and verify that your records look accurate. After that, return to your phone and open the Wix Owner app you just installed. When the app opens, go to the login screen and sign in using the same account login details associated with your Wix setup. Be careful to enter the exact account credentials for the correct account so the app connects to the right site and syncs properly with what you reviewed on desktop. If your device offers to save your login securely, you can decide whether that makes sense for your workflow, especially if the phone is one you use regularly for business management. Once you're signed in, the mobile app should reflect your account access and allow you to work alongside the settings and inventory information you checked on your desktop. This gives you a practical setup where your phone handles on-the-go access, while your computer remains your main space for deeper backend configuration and inventory review.